And your father was a dairy farmer?
And we had to ship cream to Moose Jaw, and we had quite a few cows. And when the cream can was full, about 5 gallon, we shipped it to Moose Jaw, to Swift's, and then we got a check back. That's it. That was our living.
And did he grow any crops as well?
Oh yeah, they had a big, we lived with our sister, and she had a big farm, 600 acre, and they harvested a lot of oats and wheat. And then later on, when I left, I came back and I saw where they had switched into mustard, and they harvested that. Big yellow field of mustard. So that's a bit it.
Do you remember how those things were planted?
No. Well, they had some sort of a machine and filled it full of wheat, and they went up and down and sowed it. I wasn't interested in machinery.
Was it pulled by horses or a tractor?
No, horses.
And was it harvested with horses as well?
Some of them, and some with a tractor. We had 15 men sometimes in threshing time.
Yeah. Do you remember the harvest at all?
Oh yeah. When we came home from school, we had to take out refreshments to the men, cake, sandwiches. That's what we did. We had to.
Do you remember any animals other than the cattle?
Oh, we had lots of Jersey cows. We had shorthorn cattle. We had Percheron horses there, and they loved music. A horse likes music. Did you know that?
No.
Yeah. But I could never take two horses. I was a dog lover.
Did you have a dog?
Sure. Pekingese and a Chihuahua.
Yes. And you mentioned the horses liked music. Would they be sung to, or?
Well, I don't know, but I know they like music.